Welcome. In this video, we'll explore different payment types, how to handle split bills, and apply special offers in your billing system. Split bill. Sometimes customers prefer to split the bill. You can do this using the split bill feature. It gives you two options, percentage portion wise, in which the bill is divided equally or in a chosen percentage, item wise, assigning a specific item to a customer and creating the bills differently. This is faster, accurate, and avoids confusion during the checkout. BOGO offers, which stands for buy one get one. Tap the BOGO button to apply active buy one get one offers. These discounts must be created from the owner's dashboard to be visible in the billing app. Loyalty points. Loyalty points are automatically added based on the customer's order value. This feature can be enabled through the marketplace section. Complimentary bill and sales return. Complimentary bill is used when the order is given free of charge. No payments are processed. Sales return. Sales return is used when the customer returns an order, maybe due to a complaint. For example, if a customer returns the order because it was undercooked, it is marked as a sales return. Types of payment. There are multiple modes of payment you can use. Direct cash payment, credit or debit card payment, due payment, in which the customer pays you later. It is marked as a credit. Other includes third-party apps or bank transfer. More shows you all the payment method available. Part, when the payment method is more than two types, cash or card.